Okay, welcome to the stream, guys. And here we are going to stream NQ in London. Let's take this all off. Okay. Could you see the screen visible? My screen is visible. Okay. Okay, give me a minute, guys. Okay, let's move on to the market. Let's see what's the bias. We are bullish in weekly. We are in a consolidation. As you can see, we just trapped into this range. The range குள்ளே நம்ம price வந்து trade ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, ups and downs. Like தட்டிக்கோங்க, don't forget to hit the like. And price was stuck into this range. மேலேயும் போகல, கீழேயும் போகல. And அந்த ரேஞ்சுக்குள்ளேயும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ரேஞ்ச் இருக்குது. இந்த கேனலுக்குள்ளே ஒரு கேனல் க்ளோஷர். And price took this previous day's candle. Previous week's low and the Thursday's low எடுத்துருச்சு. Friday was market leave, and I'm expecting these low to get purge first, sell side, after that buy side in daily. 4 hour அப்படிதான் இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு. 4 hour closures, new week opening gap இருக்கு. Price offered a new week opening gap from here to here. Okay, engineering liquidities, LRLR highs, failure swings from failure swing. The swing failed to take the swing, and we have great buy side liquidity. A market maker buy is going to happen after this low, so this will be my sell side to get purged first before these eyes to get purged. And we have this end walk presented by opening this week. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், end walk. Price went into the end walk. After the creation of it, displays lower. Price created a fairly gap there, and let's see if we have any SMTs with it. We don't have any SMTs with it, but we have a huge displacement in London, and we have a couple of hourly gaps in ES with we have this hourly gap. I want to see a rejection from it. I want to see rejection, and I want to see this low to get purged first, and this extreme low to get purged. My extreme target will be that low, and 2 AM open here. I'm expecting a doji to close there, so in this 1 hour I'm expecting a doji candle, and I want to short in 3 AM candles, open a high low close. That's what my bias, and that's what the narrative for this session. And look the Asian highs. I want to see that highs to get highs to stay open until NYAM. I think New York AM will be consolidate today, because today is the first day of the week and we don't have any news in Monday, and this is the last week of the month, so let's expect a consolidation. If price expands, means it will be great, but let's just wait and watch. Kindly hit the like, guys. Just saw 2 likes there. Don't forget to hit the like, and let's move on to 30 minutes, and we have sweep, consolidation or accumulation, manipulation higher. I'm expecting displacement to this lows, so let's just mark out that lows, and that lows will be previous week's low, so let's wait for that low to get purged in the first day of the day, first day of the week, by leaving this NVOG, from displacing from the NVOG. You can see NVOG price went into that NVOG, displacing, created OBs in 30 minutes, created OBs, and retracing back into that hourly cap with this high. And let's see how this high is low is going to act as. We have inverse this hourly gap, mitigation block, the premium pair price displays lower, created a NVOG and displays lower from the NVOG, and I am expecting retracement and expansion lower, and that will be the market maker sell model in lower time frame. After this sell side cut, we are going to look long from this low, but not from today. Maybe Tuesday or Wednesday will be that narrative. So let's 15 minutes உங்களுக்கு hourly gap displacement went into retracement. உங்களுக்கு 21 candle வந்து PO3 displays lower, reacting to this discounted hourly gap in the left side curve ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த discounted hourly gaps ல இருந்து உங்களுக்கு react ஆகறான். Price doesn't allow closure below this hourly gap, and I'm expecting price to move lower. Let's mark out this high. Let's reduce the color. This will be the 1 hour hourly gap. I'm expecting a PO3 there. Let's mark out the opening time. Let's mark out the today open also. Okay, I'm expecting lower prices from here, and I want to see some kind of SMTs with it, so we can confirm this entry. Price reversing as I am expecting. Okay. Entry hourly gap. Volume imbalance. let's just wait for the displacement lower. நல்ல rejection. 5 3 1. We don't have any 1 minute fair gap, so let's just wait for this low to get purged. I'm sure that this low will get purged before this high, like it will come here, and if price inverse this gap means price will move lower, otherwise if price supports this gap means price will move higher. We have good lows with fair gap, so let's just mark out this fair gap. My narrative was good and clean, but I don't have any PD arrays to get entered. My model isn't there, so let's just wait. Clean BRS for me, and price is inversing this volume imbalance that was presented in the left side of the curve, but I don't want to get entered with this confirmation that inversions of the volume imbalance, so let's just wait for this gap to get inverse. That will be a 5 minute gap also. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting there. Clean open high low close is happening right there, and my target got smashed. My first target got smashed there, as you can see. Potential fair gap got filled. A new 5 minute gap candle opened there, and price got inverse this fair gap, as you can see, in 1 minute. And do we have any SMTs with it? Nope, we don't have any SMTs. Open, went higher, displays lower, price going to sweep this lows with this gap, so let's just wait for the high time frame or another confirmations to get entered. Just wait for the 3 minute closures also. Price got inverse the premium hourly gap in 1 minute, but let's just wait for the confirmations in high time frame. If you have any doubts, means kindly go for it and hit the like, so that you can watch the live every day for free that I'm live trading in front of you all. So don't forget to hit the like. 3 minute got closed there, and price created a volume imbalance, so I'm expecting a down close candle to create in this 3 minute. And 5 minute created a change in a state of delivery. 1 minute long like on the day fair gaps, 3 conservative fair gaps create ஆயிருக்கு. So yeah, let's just wait. I don't want to see this gaps to get inverse. I want to see that gaps to get rejected and to close below this fair gap, so we can look for shorts from there. That will be my narrative for this trade. And Asia உங்களுக்கு super trade. Fair gap, retrace, displace, retrace, fair gap with what? Inverse this, enter here, stops here, huge target, and once again accumulation, manipulation in the highs with this fair gap, and going to displace lower, but I didn't get enter because I am expecting this gap to get inverse. Finally, I'm going to gap create பண்ணப்போகுது, so let's just wait for the higher time frame confirmations. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Kindly hit the like so you can get notified, and hit the subscribe. My trader is Arena. Kindly hit the subscribe also, so you can get suggested or notified every day. Oh. Okay, let's just wait for the confirmations. I will get enter. Give me a minute. Yeah, price going to create what? Price going to create a volume imbalance in 3 minutes, and let's just see how the 5 minute is going to close. And you can see fair gap is respecting as I expect. So let's just wait for the confirmations. Let's see if we get a retracement back into those volume imbalance, means we're going to for shorts from here. And the volume imbalance உங்களுக்கு retracement இருந்தால் shorts போகலாம், otherwise we are going to sit still until the 5 minute gets inverse or else the 1. உங்களுக்கு fair gap create பண்றதுக்கு, and without inversing this fair gap, this low to this high will be a fair gap, and 5 minutes created a fair gap, and price retrace back into those volume balance. Let's see if we get a retracement back into those fair gaps. Yeah, clean rejection there. Kindly hit the like, guys. Don't forget to hit the like. I will be trade every London session every day in my traders arena, so kindly hit the subscribe to get notified every day. I execute trades in front of you all. Trades and I will explain why I am entering into this trades. So kindly hit the like and subscribe to get notified every day. High time frame confirmations ku wait பண்ணலாம், சும்மா entry model வராம enter ஆகி. Let's wait for the high time frame confirmations. Turtle soup entry here, SSD entry here. Yeah, price retracing back into those fair gap. Let's see. Don't forget to hit the like, guys. Ask whatever you have the questions about trading or futures market or Nasdaq, whatever regarding trading. So kindly go for it. Ask. We have a chat box right there. So kindly ask whatever you want to ask. If I get enter means you can see my execution. I didn't get enter here. I'm just waiting for my confirmation. Price went into those fair gap that has created. Let's wait for this fair gap to stay open. where it started to retracing. Let's wait. Look where the price closed and where the price opened. Hello bro, I don't know what you have text there. Give me a minute, I can translate it. Hello bro, hello. I'm going to short exactly there. I just got entered shorts right there. Give me a minute. Just got entered shorts right there. I'm going to place my stops. My stops will be located here. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, I just got entered for shorts. Let's see how this trade goes, bro. I'm targeting 1/3. Whoa, huge displacement. Price got inverse there. Kindly mark out this hourly gap as an inversion. Let's see how it goes. Okay, what are you looking to? Yeah, my narrative was bearish and I was looking for inversions to get entered for shorts, bro. That's what my narrative here, and I just got entered after the confirmations of 5 minute, and I just got entered with this confirmations of 1 minute inversion. I expected this candle to get inverse, and yeah, price just got inverse. So it may buy instead of sell. Okay, it's okay. It happens every day, bro. Be patient and be responsible for your acts. So let's see how this trade goes. I'm expecting this low to get burst, so I'll move my stops to break even after this low. I'm going to mark it as a blue, thick lines. Yeah, let's see. It will be a market maker sell model in 1 minute. I can explain this 1 minute candles in terms of market maker buy to sell. This will be a market maker buy model till the hourly gap highs. As you can see, price accumulated and took this, price went higher and went lower, accumulated, manipulated this low, confirmed with over PO3, manipulated this lows and inverse this hourly gap and created this, went higher, and SMTs with the highs, and once again price created failure swings from this hourly gap, okay, and created failure swings in the highs also. So displacement, and price went into the displacing hourly gaps rejected from it and displays higher. This 1 minute candle indicated that price can move higher. Okay, wow. Then price retracement black into those lows and turtle soup and cyst and went higher. A range price was created a range. Price accumulated once again, took that range high into this fair value gaps high. Okay, wow. Price just filled this huge fair value gap, and price doesn't allow closure. Price doesn't allow closure above that high. Okay, price displays lower, created fair value gap in 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes, and price retraced back into those 5-minute fair value gaps, and I just got enter with the confirmations of 2 a.m. open here. 2 a.m. you can see 2 a.m. open here, created a high by sweeping this range high into this fair value gaps high or premium side of this 1 minute, this one particular fair value gap, and displays lower. So that will be my confirmation. I should get enter. I know the narrative and I can get entered here, but I won't do like that kind of stuff because I know price can move on again once again higher once again, so I won't get entered like that. So I just wait, and price created fair value gaps, went higher. What's this blue line indicates? That blue line indicates that price is going to support that line. That was a opening time or opening price of the time. Okay, price retrace back into the what? That opening time price. Okay, opening time took the times high, opening price high, and displays lower. I got enter after this is creation, and that will be a 30-second fair value gaps inversion. So I got enter, and I am having another monitor, so I am just entering with another account. So yeah, price went lower, and I placed my stops higher. Stops higher, and I'm going to target 1:3 minimum. After 1:2, I can book my profit. So let's see how the state turns around. And price displays low once again. This high will be a short term high, and this high will be an intermediate term high. By sweeping this high into this fair value gap, and price displays lower, this will be our silver bullet or second stage distribution of this market maker sell model. And yeah, I got entered here in the second stage of distribution, and price displays created a volume imbalance, and price inverse this fair value gap. This will be a pyramid to get entered, and yeah, price still moving lower, and I'm going to move my stops to break even after this low get purged, and I'm expecting this low to I'm expecting a closure below this low, so I can move my stops to break even, and that's it. Let's see, I'm expecting a closure below that low. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. And let's see if you have any SMTs with it. Nope, we don't have any SMTs, I think, still now, so let's just wait. If you have any doubts, means kindly go for it. Ask whatever your doubts. Okay, price clearly rejected that low, but still let's just wait. Let's see, I'm expecting closure below it. Okay, we'll look at it. Okay. Little na potter. Okay, right, done. Someone's keeping watch. Guys, kindly hit the like, guys. Can I get a like? I just got break even there. Price got my break even there. I just moved my stops to break even because this will be my break even low, and I expected this low. I was just waiting for this low. Below this low's closure, I was just waiting for move my stops to break even, but price just got my extreme break even low, so just move my stops to break even. That's it. Let's see. That's it. The risk. That's it. That's all it takes. So let's see how the trade plays off, and I'm going to set my targets. Okay, just set my targets in 1:3, and yeah, let's see how this trade plays off. And I can explain this trade once again, so if you want me to, means kindly tell me in chat. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Hit the like button, don't forget to hit the like, and subscribe to My Traders Arena to get engaged every day live. And I just move my stops to break even. That's it, that's how we do the first trade of the week. And it was a great trade. I think if it gets my break even, that's it for the day. See, range high to range low, that's what I am seeing there. Actually 5-minute closures is going to create a change in a state of delivery or breaker from the 1 hour family gap. I can show you that also, and I can hold till these eyes get purged, but I won't hold till that because I am a minute trader and I don't want to be in the market 24 hours. And yeah, that's it. So for 5-minute closure, I'm expecting a closure below that low. If it happens, me that will be so good to get to see. See the chart clearly, bro. If you have any doubts, means kindly go for it. I'm here to answer your doubts, clear your doubts. And I'm Bharat. From the side of My Traders Arena, I'm expecting a closure below that break-even low, that range low. Still waiting, and mark out the annotations of this buy side curves. What buy side curves, volume imbalance, and look into those volume imbalance and buy side curve. 5-minute closures, okay. 3-minute also good, and 1 minute is going to move over from these candle, or from this annotation. Price is going to move lower. I'm expecting this high or this blue line. Oh, price doesn't take that one. I'm going to close below that low. Let's see. Okay. Whoa, huge, bro. It was a huge displacement. Yeah, bang, we got our TPs there in front of you all. Oh, my stops to break even, and closing my break even there. It was a huge trade that I took there, and yeah, that's what I expected in the price. My entry got a context there, and my exit also got a context there, and that's it. 3 hours.
Okay. Camera use putting on,
Mic use
Camera.
Screenshot. Control plus shift plus
Windows 50 as well.
ஓகே, அவ்வளோதான். 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 15 minutes, அவ்வளோதான். Let's see if we get any other entries. Let's just sit on our hands. 12 நிமிஷம். Nice boom, bro. Yeah, nice bro. Congrats. Nice one. Great bro. Great. I'm so glad that you took with me. Do you guys have Twitter? I'm in Twitter. I can't tell you what my Twitter account is. Her Prince BK, her __ and then Prince _ and BK _. Great bro, I am so glad that you guys are taking trades alongside me. And if you are holding your partials, means you can hold the partials, but price can move higher to these highs or these volume imbalance once again and displays lower. But this is the HRLR move. I just got there. HRLR means high resistance liquidity run. Where's Vishal, bro? Vishal, I don't know who is Vishal, bro. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Can I get a like for this trade? Open high, low, close, clean 2M, open high into that 1 hour fairly gaps and 15-30 minute fairly gaps, displays lower, entry on that. I should have entered in this opening price, but I didn't, and just waited for more confluences. And yeah, that's a great trade. I'm just trading with ICT for 2 years from now. 2 வருஷம் ICT கூட, but மார்க்கெட்லேயுமே 2 or 3 years around. I'm a full-time trader, full-time futures trader. 1 வருஷமா full-time futures trader தான். Okay. Let's just take this off. I make an answer. 1 minute. I should have moved my break even for my friend's account. Give me a minute. I'm back here. Okay, let's see how the 5-minute closures are. 5 minute. That's how we do. Yeah, great displacement candles there in 5 minute. Closures are looking good. That indicates price going to take this low in after this high, retracement back into these highs from here, like from here to here. 15. Whoa, Scott. Great. 1 3. Yeah, price created a 3-minute fairly gap, and we have a breaker with the fairly gap. That will be a unicorn. Then let's see how the trade goes. Trade guys, hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like, guys. And I get a like for this executions in front of you all for free. Let's see how the trade goes. I just want to mark this high. This high will get purged, I think. A minute. Like this high will get purged if this value gap. I don't want to see this gap to get inverse. If price inverse this value gap means I want to see accumulation into this value gap. I want to see chop price into that value gap. So let's see. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, as expected, price got the highs. Yeah, as expected, price got the high, and price created a volume imbalance against us, and yeah, price got that break up with fair value gap in 5 minutes. This down close candle will be a breaker, and this down close candle will be a breaker, and we have this reclaimed fair value gap, and we have this inversed volume imbalance, and price is rejecting it into it, and we have this fair value gap 15 minute. Yeah, price going to create a fair value gap in 15, so let's just wait for it. 30 minute is rejecting, 61 hour is also rejecting, so let's wait for the 15 minute fair value gap to create, and yeah, that's why I just moved my that's why I targeted this fair value gap in 1 minute. There is a reason behind this fair value gap, okay? It's not a random fair value gap that I was targeting, and I just wanted this high to get purged, and that was just get purged. So let's wait for the continuation. Let's just take this off. This is the high that I was targeting from this fair value gap, and yeah, that's also get tagged, and to 30 open here, went lower, pre-inverse the fair value gap. Let's see, price can move higher from here. Let's see if you have any SMTs with that lows. Whoa, we have huge SMTs with that lows. You can see price didn't took these lows in ES. This will be the extreme low, but we have took these lows and this fair value gaps in NQ. I want to see this fair value gaps to get inverse, and that will be a confirmation for shorts. Actually, this volume imbalance is enough to get inverse. If this supports price, means price will move higher. We have this change in state of delivery with the SMTs in the discounted fair value gap. I don't want to see this volume balance to get reject. If it happens, means price is going to seek highs. Let's see. உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா inversion fair value gap with this SSD, and price got this high without rejecting that high. Price closed above it, and you can see break even மாத்திட்டேன். மாத்திட்டேன். Whoa. Yeah, as I expect price moving higher from that fair value gap. This was a buy indication, and that's why I targeted those lows, those fair value gaps, and this was a buy indication, a 1 minute inversion, and a retracement back into these what volume imbalance, unfilled gap. That was a gap, I think. We say that as a vacuum gap or a gap. Hi bro, Mukesh Ambani bro, hi bro. I think you have been late today's live. We got a short entry here to these indications or these fair value gaps. A 3-hour trade. I just placed my stops in the breakaway gap. I expected this gap has to be a breakaway gap, and targeted 1:2, and I just got 1:3. Sorry, targeted 1:3, and I just booked in 3-hour, and our narrative was bearish, but price is price got that fair value gap there, so I'm expecting bearish prices from there, and I'm going to take this all off. Let's see, 3 and 5 minute gap gets inverse, so we can look for shorts from there. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting, bro. Actually, that's what I'm expecting. Yeah, I'm going to short from here We have SMTs. Yeah, we don't have any SMTs, I think. Maybe we have minor SMTs. I just got entered there. Okay, I just got entered there. Stops will be right here. Buy stop. Buy. Let's mark it out. Okay. Okay, sell side. And let's mark out the inversions. Okay. Let's see how this trade plays off. Another A plus setup for me. And I hope this will play off as I expect. 1.5 would be target, but just target 2 just targeting 2 and closures are good. Let's see how the trades plays off. If you are get enter means kindly go for it. Kindly hit the like, guys. Don't forget to hit the like. And yeah, hit the like. I hope you guys got entered for the short entry. Once again, a retracement. We are just catching the HRLR, I can say. Entered here, exit here. Another retracement. Just look how precise this was. And another, once again, we got entered here. And going to book our profits. So let's see if it gets my TP or SL. It's okay. That's how it goes. Price can do whatever it can. So we are just reacting or responding to the market. We have to do what have to be does. Okay. This will be the sell side liquidity, and I just place my stops or TP, my buy limits at 1:2. I'm just a 2-hour trader. Sometimes I'll trade 3. The majority of the times I'll trade only 2 hours. Just 2 hours is enough for us to be profitable. And I hope you guys. I have the narrative for all of these 1 minute candles. Price retracing back into those fair value gap with assist. And we have SMTs in the highs of the fair value gaps. Let's see. As I expected, price after this fair value gap, as I expected this high to get burst, and yeah, it just got there. Price once again moving lower from that highs. If you are watching the live from the beginning, means you can get it. And I'll be trading every London sessions in this channel for free in live. I execute trades in live, not like buy sells and buy sells like that kind of stuff. I only execute A plus setups. Okay. Yeah. Okay. AM open, and the true day open is just making sense there. Okay, give me a minute. Look how the 30 minutes are. 60 minutes. What is price doing there? Opened, went into the assist or OBs up close candle. Price should support the up close candle. And moving lower. Okay. let's wait for this low to get purged so we can move our stops to break even, or else we're going to sit on our hands until our TP or SL gets. That's how we do. We're going to sit on our hands until market reacts. Guys, can I get a like, guys, and ask whatever your doubts? I'm here to clear your doubts, so go for it. Guys, kindly hit the like, guys. I just got a 3R. This will be the first trade of the week for me, and we are trading the last week for the month. Last week of the month. First trade here to here 3R, and second trade here to here 2R. So let's wait and see if it gets my TP or SL. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I was a bit of hungry. Guys, don't forget to hit the like. Make sure you hit the like there. And hit the subscribe so you can get notified every day. Yeah, that was a good closure, but not the good opening there. Five-minute caught inverse there. That was a A plus confirmation to get entered. So I don't even care about my stops or TP, whatever it may can get. Guys, kindly ask whatever your doubts was. I'm here to answer your doubts. I don't see a volume imbalance to create, but if it creates means price will move to those inverse gap or vacuum, this inverse vacuum gap with this value gap. Oh, it doesn't create a huge gap, but it just created a tiny gap and opened below to that gap. That indicates price is going to move over. So let's wait for the price to move over. I'm expecting large range down close candles there. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. That's it. Stops at break even for now. Stops at break even for now. That's it. Let's wait for our TP to get smashed. What the heck? Bang, bro. That was a A plus setup. Got TP there. Once again. A short 3R and a short 2R. That's it for the day, bro. I just done for the day. I just called out every candles from here. I just called out every candles. You can rewind the live stream and you can see, you can watch. I just called out every move, every single move here. Like displacement, retracement got entered into this HRLR move, and there is a reason behind this close to this trade, and expected retracement back into these highs, and price went into it and inverse this family gap. And yeah, once again I expected HRLR move, and we got one, HRLR move once again. A plus setups. I don't know, everyone. Great, bro. Boom again. I'm just done for the day. Many traders will say 5R for a month would be good, but I am just trading and gaining. Booked 5 hours for a month, for a day, not a week. And yeah. That's it for the day. Ask your questions. That was like, I should have react like that, so that live la paakuravanga nammala okay appdin paapanga. I don't react like that while I'm trading individually. I should have react like that in front of you all guys, so that you guys will imagine like traders will react for their trades, but they don't. Great day, great start for the month, and I'm going to end the stream. I'm not going to end the stream, but I'm going to call the price, but I'm not going to take any trades hereafter. I was just done for the day, bro. do you think? What is the Asia sweep? Give me a minute. I can't tell you. Okay, this will be the Asian sweep, but I am expecting lower prices to these lows, bro. So I don't want to see a rejection from this lows, and price can go to these highs, bro, but I don't want to see a rejection. And in ES, price doesn't inverse its value cap, right? Nope, it just got inverse there. But we have SMTs in ES with those Asian lows. So this will be a liquidity ride, not a sweep. Okay, I think this will be a liquidity ride. Okay, 1 hour. I'm expecting a closure, but let's see. 30 minutes will confirm this. But I'm expecting the sell side to get sweep. Okay. Okay. 2 trades into PO3s of the London. I'm expecting this this low to be a liquidity ride, not a sweep. Like, I'm expecting price to move lower, bro. What's the difference between liquidity ride and sweep? Yeah, good question. What is this liquidity sweep means? A high that rejects a high, and by creating a high, but like this will be a high, this will be a liquidity high, a range high, whatever you can call. This will be a high or liquidity. Price went into that high, went into that liquidity and rejected that liquidity. That indicates that is called as a sweep, a liquidity sweep, not a ride. Ride means this right here. You can see this low got low. Give me a minute. This low got liquidity ride, not a sweep. Sweep means price should reject that low, but it doesn't reject that low. Okay, you can see price got ride that low. Ride means price should support this low once again and went lower. It doesn't care about that low, but it was a liquidity, but it doesn't care about what liquidity is. Narrative will be bearish. So yeah, look the closures. The closures indicates that this low would be a liquidity ride. Okay, not a sweep. Sweep means price will take this high like this and close below it, or reject to these highs and create down close candles by taking this liquidity. That indicates a liquidity sweep, not an liquidity ride. Ride means we just got we just purged this low and keep on moving lower. That indicates liquidity ride. That's the difference there. I think this all was naming terms for this price action. You're welcome, bro. You can ask whatever you have in your minds. And price going to create a 5-minute fair cap once again. This I will get purged once again, and I just done for the day, bro. I think I got for okay. I hope you all got some sauce today, so don't forget to hit the like. Okay, I got that. nice. Okay, price going to take that high. As I expect, price going to take this high once again. Yeah. Sir. Okay, price doesn't take that high, and we don't have any SMTs with that high. I think maybe we can have a SMTs with YM. I expected this size to get purged, and we have the sell side or liquidity lows, Asian lows. Whoa, bro! Great displacement, bro. This displacement happened in the first 10 seconds of the candle after the open of the first 10 seconds. Okay, 50. Whoa, huge, bro. Actually, we just got. I'm a scalper, and this is how a scalper should trade. As you can see, give me a minute, bro. Seek for wisdom, bro. I'll answer your questions. Give me a minute. Sometimes, okay. Okay, and this is how a trader should get enter. As you can see, not a trader, bro. This is how a scalper should trade, like in and out, not in this kind of distortion. This will be a distortion for me. I'll be in and out, a huge. That's it. And yeah, this should be a in but not price doesn't take that highs, and this highs will be a support or resistance, whatever you can call. Price displays lower, created a inversion volume imbalance with a fair value gap of inverse, and created a fair value gap OP, whatever. But I expected this size to get purged, but it doesn't take that high. What's that high? 5 minute fair value gap, 3 minute fair value gap. Yeah. Okay, let's come into those questions. That if there is a ride on the 1 and 5 minute, do you wait for the 1 hour closure? What do you look for? If there is a ride on the 1 and 5 minute, okay, this will be a ride on 1 and 5 minute. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, let's got these lows also. There is a ride on the 1 and 5 minute. Okay, this will be a liquidity ride in 1 and 5 minutes. And do you wait for the 1 hour closure? Yeah, bro, sure. High time frame closure says the story, bro. Price would go low. What would be your entity? Like I can say price will move higher or lower or whatever, maybe in high time frame by the higher context of high time frame, and that will be called as bias. But I can only get enter with the what model I just mastered. Like I am an inversion trader. I trade only pure inversions. You can see I only trade inversions. I don't trade a assist or whatever. I can take it as confluences or more confirmations for my entries, but I only trade inversions. That's it. So you can see price is going to take this inversion, and you can mark out the standard deviation 1 and 2 to 3. Price will tell a 3 standard deviation from in this level, and price inverses gap by entry, and should have more stops to break even after this high. Price can't move to those this fair value gap. I didn't even move to higher time frame, bro. I just saying that narrative in the 1 minute, like inverse entry here, exactly open of this 1 minute candle here, target to this fair value gap, and should have moved our stops to break even into this size like this. இந்த ஐஸ் எடுத்தோடனே உங்களுக்கு பிரேக் இவன் கண்டிப்பாக மாற்றிடணும். And yeah, still that's how we do. Okay, but I'm sure that this high will get purged before this low get purged. I'm sure about it, or else price will make a SMT with it. I'm sure that's how my model says, and this I know price will move lower, but I should have wait for the inversions to happen in lower time frame, like 1 and 3 2 minutes, to confirm my trade idea, or else I get stopped out, or else I get tricked off. That's it. You can tell high time frame context in 4 hour, like 4 hour candle should print like this and this and this, but you should have an edge to get entered in lower time frames. You should have a model to get entered in lower time frame, like this. இப்போ பார்த்துட்டோம்னா நம்ம I am an inversion trader, so I got entered in the inversions. If you are a turtle soup trader, means you will got entered here, but I don't recommend turtle soup traders there. Give me a minute. Okay, I won't recommend to be a turtle soup or inversion trader, but I trade inversions. That was a plus entry model that I discovered a year ago, a year or 2 years ago, and there are many opportunities to get into this sell side or sell side. What is market maker sell model? If you are an FEG trader, means you will get entered here or here, or if you are an assisted trader or breaker trader, means this down close candle will act as a breaker with fair value gap. This will be a unicorn, so you will get entered here. And this, if you are assisted trader, means here and here, and inversions here, this inversions and this inversions. We have more confirmations in inversions. And still, if you are a turtle soup trader, means this will be your entry, this high and this high, short term high and intermediate term high. Okay. Okay, give me a minute, bro. Okay, inversion, turtle soup, cyst or breaker. This will be a breaker. This down close candle will be a breaker with a fair value gap. I can mark it. If you can't see, means I can annotate it. This will be a breaker with fair value gap, unicorn. There are plenty of entry models like gray line, gray. There are plenty of it. ICT side there are 64 or 73. I don't know how much it is. There are plenty of entry models. Okay. Links. Okay. If you have any doubts, bro, look how the price is acting before. I told you that before this low, price will get this high, or else price will get a SMT with it. Price didn't. We have SMTs in the lows. Okay, we have SMTs in the lows, and that was a confirmation, and price has created once again a fair value gap and going to inverse it. We have created a couple of volume imbalance, and price is going to take this high as I expected. That's it. We can call every minute or every second candles. If you are in a 1 minute, 15 seconds or 30 seconds range, every candle is fractal. Like everything is fractal in the market. 1 minute or 1 second or 1 year or 1 month candles. It's all will open in a certain price, will move higher in a certain price and create a high, or will move lower in a certain price and will close. Open low, high close, or open high, low close. That's how the candle will be printing every day in every minute. Candles are price, time is fractal, or price is candles are fractal. You should do what should you do. Yeah, that's it. If you have any doubts regarding this, means kindly go for it. I'm here to clear your doubts. And kindly hit the like, guys. We got enter, and I'm telling once again, we got enter short after the live. We just started the live here. In the 2 AM opening, price went higher. Started the live here. Waited this price action. Waited here, displacement, and got entered here. And targeted this particular fair value gap. And that was 1:3, as you can see. 1:3. Booked 1:3, and I expected after this, I expected this side to get purse, and yeah, price have done that, and I was just waiting for get enter into this inversion, and yeah, I just got entered after the inversion. Exactly here, exactly my stop was in this body's eye, and I targeted this 1:2 below this Asian slow, because I was just waited this. I was expecting this low as to be a liquidity ride, so that I just moved my stops, moved my targets or buy limits below that low, because I was it won't be a good hour for me, so that I moved my TPs below and targeted 2 hour, and just got booked 2 hour here. 3 + 2 was 5 hour for a day, and it is huge. I think 5 hour day was huge, I think, and yeah, that's it for the day. Actually, I trade 2 trades every day. I'll take 2 trades, and maybe it is a stops, 2 stops, or 1 target and 1 stops, or 1 two targets. That's it for today. Is a 2 target day, and look how precious executions there. I was just loving this price action. Great price action. I just called every candles in this TP. I was just waiting for. I told you that you can rewind the live, and you can watch the live and watch what did I just say here. I told I was expecting a large range candle, and yeah, price dumped there, and here I told I am expecting a large range candle lower side, so I can get my put my stops at break even, but price just went into my target in a candle in a minute, and that's it for the day. 5 hour for the day, and yeah, I'm done for the day. And let's see, tomorrow I'll be trading every London session from the side of My Traders Arena. I will be trading every London in live. I'll execute trades in live in London session. Mark out the timings, 2 to 5 AM in Eastern Standard Times, -4 EST. So I'll be trading every London sessions. I'm not trading New York, but there are mentors, or there are traders who will trade New York in My Traders Arena in front of you all for live for free. But I am Bharat, and I'll be trading every London in front of you all. And thank you for attending the live, and kindly hit the like, guys. Don't forget to hit the like. Yeah, 7 was quite good, I think. And I'm going to end the stream now. Thank you for watching the stream, and I hope you got some knowledge or sauce today. And I hope I'll give every day some kind of insights for you all, guys. And thank you for attending the stream, guys. Let's see tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow. Hope you all got subscribed, and turn on your bell button, so you can got notified every days, every sessions, or every trades, every sessions live. So let's see tomorrow, bro. I'm going to end the stream now. Thank you.